जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, रिव्यू के बाद अब बारी आती है इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज की। हमने इस चैप्टर में जो कुछ सीखा हम उस चैप्टर के मुतालिक इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं।
Question A. Pick the correct answer. The bar used to edit cell data is called formula bar. To select the entire worksheet, we press option B, Control plus A. Autofill is used to option B, repeat patterns. To copy data, we use shortcut option B, Control plus C. A single cell is selected by option C, left click once. Question B, write T for true and F for false in the given circles. Rows are labeled with numbers. True, autofill can only copy numbers. False, Control plus X is used for cutting data. True, the formula bar shows the content inside a cell. True, pressing delete removes the entire row. True. Question C. Fill in the blanks. Columns are labeled with dash letters. To undo an action, press dash. Control plus Z. The small square used for autofill is called dash. The fill handle. To delete only the content of a cell, press the dash key. Delete key. Date is written in the dash 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 format. Date, month and year format. Question D. Answer the following question. Question number 1. What is a range of cells? A range is a group of cells that are next to each other, like A1 to C5. Question number 2. How can you select a column? Steps to select a column. Look at the column letters at the top of the sheet. Move the mouse over the column letter, for example D. Click once on the letter D. The entire column D becomes highlighted. Question number 3. What does the formula bar show? The formula bar is a long white box above the worksheet. Next to the name box, it shows what is inside the active cell. Question number 4. What is autofill used for? Autofill helps you quickly fill cells with repeated values or patterns. Question number 5. How do you move data from one place to another? Moving means you remove data from one place to put it in another. And the steps are: select the cell or range, click Cut in the Home tab or press Ctrl plus X. Click the new cell where you want to move the data. Click Paste or press Ctrl plus V. The data appears in the new place and is removed from the old place. प्रोजेक्ट में आज हम बनाएंगे अ सिंपल टेबल और मार्कशीट इन एक्सेल. Use autofill to write days of the weeks. Also practice selecting rows, columns and ranges on your computer. Creativity skill में we will draw an Excel sheet showing rows, columns and a few selected cells. Make a small timetable using a pencil in your notebook, just like in Excel. And students, do think and answer why is it important to organize data neatly in Excel. And if a classmate overrides your work by mistake, which command can help you fix it? Activity work में you will create a simple table or mark sheet in Excel. We will also discuss which selection method do you find easiest, mouse or keyboard, and why do you think people use Excel instead of paper registers.
जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 4 फॉर्मेटिंग इन MS एक्सेल। हमने इस चैप्टर में अपने डाटा को MS एक्सेल सॉफ्टवेयर पर एंटर करना, कॉपी पेस्ट करना, मूव करना, ऑटो फिल करना और इसके साथ ही रोज एंड कॉलम्स को डिलीट करना भी सीखा। फिर उसके साथ ही हमने एक्सरसाइज को भी सॉल्व किया और हमारा चैप्टर यहीं पर ही ख़त्म हुआ। मैं मिलूंगा आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।